Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can copy the method that I'm using to make $2,000 commission per day. Okay, but before I show you guys what is this method and how it gonna work, let me show you some of the results that we all are having. Okay, so guys, this is the Stripe account, and as you can see here, total I have made $68,000 in last few months from this method that I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, as you can see here guys, if I show you, other than me, here is a member, he got $2,000 commission from one single sale. Okay, and he says this system is on fire, another $2,000 commission came rolling in. So he made this $2,000 commission from one single sale. And then here is another member, as you can see, you have received a power line payment of amount $2,000 for Vertex Live. So he also made a $2,000 commission. And then here is me, I got $2,000 commission that day, so I had posted as well. Here is another member, he made $2,000 commission as well, as you can see. So basically guys, all we are doing is we are promoting an affiliate product, and we are using an traffic to send that clicks to that product and make commission from that affiliate product. Okay, so now the question is how you can get started and how you can copy the same system for yourself. So basically guys, what you have to do is you have to follow these three steps. Okay, step 1, step 2 and step 3. And once you have completed these 3 steps, what I will do is I will order 500 hot clicks at Vertex Pro level, and I will order 1000 hot clicks at Vertex Live level. So the traffic that I use, I'm gonna buy 500 clicks for your affiliate link and 1000 clicks for your affiliate link and send that to your affiliate link here. As you can see, step 3, message me your affiliate link on Facebook. So before that, you need to complete the first step, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the step 1 below this video in the description box, and you will land on this page called Easy One Up. Okay, and here you see join now. So guys, this is the product, this is the affiliate product that we are promoting to make those big commission. So here you have to click on join now. Okay, and then you will land on this page. And here you're gonna fill this form, first name, last name, email, username, password, and then you're gonna click start now. After that, you will land on this page. Okay, you will land on the dashboard of Easy One Up, and here you can see there are several packages, right? $25, $100, $250. So there are several different packages that you can choose, but what I would recommend you is either you choose Vertex Pro or Vertex Live. Personally, I went with Vertex Live. Okay, $2,000 plus $500, and all these results that you are seeing here, these 2,000 commissions, they all went with Vertex Live level. Okay, so I would recommend you to go with Vertex Live level, so you make those big sales. Now, after you have upgraded your Vertex Live, you have to complete the second step, which is set up the automated system. So basically guys, we do not promote Easy One Up directly. We use an automated system to promote Easy One Up. Okay, now this automated system, if I show you, this is that automated system. Okay, and this cost $49. Let me just refresh it. So guys, this system cost you $49, and this is a completely automated system. Okay, and what you have to do on step 2 is you have to create account on this system. Okay, and you have to fill this form, and then you create account, and you will pay $49, and then you're gonna land inside this system, this automated system. Okay, so guys, now here what you have to do is you have to click on step 2. Okay, and then as you can see, it says income stream number 2, Easy One Up. So you're gonna click here. So guys, now what you have to do is you have to go on your Easy One Up account. Okay, and you have to click on dashboard here. After you will click on dashboard, you will land on this dashboard. So as you can see, it says sales page. So guys, after this equal to sign, this is your username from EG1UP. Okay, you have to copy this username. Okay, after you have copied this username, you will go to multiple income funnel, the automated system. Okay, and here you see completed, right? But since you will be the first time, you will see an open box here. Okay, and you have to put that username that you just copied from your EG1UP here, this username. Okay, this one you copy from here and you just put it here in this box. Okay, and click save. Since I have already done that part, that's why it says completed. Now guys, you have completed your step 2, which is set up your automated system. Now what you're going to do is you're going to send me your affiliate link on Facebook. So to do that, you have to go on your multiple income funnel. Okay, and at the top guys, here you will see link. Click on the link, and as you can see here, there are several websites, there are several landing pages, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this third lead capture page third. Okay, you're going to copy link address here. If you see here, this is your affiliate link, this is your website. They provide you ready-made website. You don't have to make your own website, you don't have to create your own landing page. So you're going to copy this affiliate link from here, and you're going to message me this affiliate link on Facebook. Okay, so when you will message this affiliate link to me on Facebook, so what I will do is I will buy 1000 clicks for your affiliate link if you have purchased Vertex Live $2000 level. And if you have purchased this Vertex Pro, what I will do is I will purchase this 500 clicks for your affiliate link, and then you will be able to make those commissions that we all are making. Okay, so guys, if you also want to make these big commissions, follow these 3 steps. And what I'm going to do, one more thing for you is, if you are coming at Vertex Pro, other than this 500 hot clicks, I will also give you my YouTube ad method. Okay, and at Vertex Live, I will give you my YouTube ad method, and I will give you my Facebook ad strategy. So using these bonuses guys, using this done for you system, you will be able to get same traffic that we all are using to make commissions like this, $68,000. So guys, if you want to get started, go ahead, complete those 3 steps from the description box, and see you inside the system making this huge commission.